In this project, I am working with Yang Huang. Since both of us used to work on 3D game projects a lot but did a few of 2D games, we would like to build a 2D game for learning and practicing. He is mainly focusing on the artwork, while I will develop the game in Unity game engine. We are keeping connecting to discuss concepts of our game and also glad to see how can we solve problems and learn from each other's idea. This is a 2D action role-playing game. We are going to build a scene for boss combats during week 1 to week 6 and design levels in the future semester. Cells and Century is one of our related game, which has fantastic boss battle design. The gameplay mechanics similar to the Dark Souls series, but built in 2D scene. One of the core mechanics of the boss battle is that it is challenging player through different and regular attack of boss. The player is learning from death, becoming familiar with the battle before successfully defeat the boss. Our keyword for designing this boss battle is strength. We would like to make a boss which has a melee attack ability as his main attack style, but has an interesting mechanic for player to handle when the battle comes to the end. In week 1, I was building up basic settings and writing scripts for our player's movement and health system. Since I did not expect it to have any art resources to use in week 1, but I still found a very interesting topic to learn, which is about players jumping. The Unity game engine is providing a default physics system for the user to use. By simply adding force, my player can jump by this physics, but the jump gave me a floaty feel. I haven't noticed this problem before in my 3D project since it is not observable by 3D first and third person camera, but it is easy to see and break game experience in 2D. By learning GDC's talking, I made a new physics for player jumping. The jump path line is adjusting by changing the force over time on my player character, and that provides me a better jump. In week 2 and week 3, I was working on animator and hit reaction for my player character. I used the character and animation which provided by Yang to produce animation clips in Unity, and then made state machine, and I wrote scripts to control these animations. By making a camera shake, knock back physics, and hit stop, I had a good starting of my character's hit reaction. I would like to keep adjusting it and develop these hit reactions when our boss character is active in the scene. It gave me bugs when my state machine come messy and reacted with collision physics, so I also spent some time on test and fix bugs in week 3. For the following weeks, I would like to focus on the boss AI. I am now discussing with Yang about the action which will be used by our boss. I will do some different collision tests to simulate the boss attack first, and then use art resources from Yang to handle the real attack by Unity Animator. When I have done this work, I am going to code and give my player character an ability to damage the boss, and then to see how to improve the gameplay experience. Thanks for watching.